Welcome again to episode 6. Don't worry, let's make money. In this episode, I'm going to talk about you don't have to love what you do. You have to love the opportunity. Before we get started, did you need a super friendly SEO website created for your small or medium-sized business? Need a Facebook bot or Facebook marketing ad or retargeting done? Contact me directly or visit my website www.digitalmarketingsynergy.com. Let's get started. Get a pen and paper. You have to love what you do, that's what people say. But that's not necessarily true. What is true is that you have to love the opportunity to build life, future, health, success and fortune. Knocking on someone's door may not be something you love to do, but you love the opportunity of what might be behind it. A guy says, "I'm digging ditches. Should I love digging ditches?" The answer? No, you don't have to love digging ditches, but if it is your first entry onto the ladder of success, you should be thinking, I'm glad somebody gave me the opportunity to dig ditches, and I'm going to do it so well, I won't be here long. You can be inspired by just having found something. Even though you are making mistakes in the beginning and even though it is not ideal, taking on a new discipline that you haven't learned yet, you don't have to love it, you just have to learn to appreciate the opportunity, and the person who believed in you before you believed in yourself, the person who brought you the good news, who found you. If you will embrace the disciplines associated with the new opportunity, you will soon find that your self-confidence starts to grow. That you go from being a skeptic to being a believer. And, soon, when you start talking to people, you will find it to be the most thrilling opportunity in the world. Every person you meet, what could they be to you? It's unlimited. Maybe a friend for life, an open door to retiring, a colleague for years to come. This is big, and sometimes, in the beginning when we are just getting started, we don't always see how big it really is. So before you are tempted to give up or get discouraged, remember that all success is based on long-term commitment, faith, discipline, attitude and a few stepping stones along the way. You might not like the stone you are on right now, but it's sure to be one of the stones that leads to great opportunities in the future. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Don't Worry, Let's Make Money. For more financial advice and wealth business knowledge, like and comment below and don't forget to follow. Do you know anyone